Hey guys, my name is Damien Black. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Today is a very special video because I'm going to show you an awesome brand new tool on the market which you can use yourself to copy any website on the internet made in ClickFunnels. So guys, if you use the ClickFunnels funnel builder, you know that it takes a lot of time and effort to build a high converting landing page or a complex fitness page, for example. So in this video I'm going to show you how this tool works. It's very easy to use and what you get if you do decide to sign up. Okay guys, so the funnel copier is a very simple tool that will copy any ClickFunnels page right into your funnel builder. So all you have to do is go to your ClickFunnels page, sign in, go to funnels, click just create a new funnel. You can name it whatever you want. Go into the editor. So I'm gonna choose for example, it doesn't really matter, I'm just gonna choose this template, let it load, and I'm gonna click edit page. Now once my page loads, I'm going to find any website I like that I want to copy. Alright, and for this example, I watch Freedom Influencer and he has an awesome funnel which he promotes an awesome program online. So if I want to copy his entire funnel, all I have to do is click the extension button up here, click on Funnel Cloner. This will pop up a brand new window and all I have to do is click this little magic button, copy funnel, and now I have to go inside my ClickFunnels editor and click on the icon again, click on Funnel Cloner and click this button, and as you can see guys, the opt-in page is copied into my ClickFunnels editor word by word. It is identical, so I can click on preview. Let's see guys if it's exactly the same, and it is. It's exactly the same. This is awesome. It's very easy to use. Okay, so this is just a simple, let's see if the pop-up opens, and boom, it does. Everything opens. So everything works exactly how it's supposed to. Now let's copy a more complex, a more complicated website, and let's see how the tool does. So I went over to Google, and to find a website made in ClickFunnels, all you have to do is cite clickfunnels.com and you can type in the keyword that you want. Okay, so for this instance I went to bodybuilding. Let's click on this page and look at this guy. This is a long, complex, complicated website, as you can see. So now guys, let's click on the icon again, click on Funnel Cloner. Let's see if it copies this page. Paste it right in and boom. This is awesome guys. As you can see, let it load, and again, without any problems, the website is copied inside my editor within seconds. Let's try something else. Let's try something like this, which has a button to purchase the membership. This is a pretty good website. I like this one a lot. It looks professional, so let's see how it does. Funnel Cloner, copy funnel again. Let's paste it right in, and awesome again. Very simple, and it even does the mobile version for me and the desktop version, so you don't have to do anything at all. Just simply pick a page you like, copy right in, and edit it however you want it. You can change up the buttons, the text, you can do whatever you want guys. Okay, so it's a very simple tool, and if you decide to purchase the Funnel Cloner, it's only $297 one time, and you get a bunch of cool bonuses if you do decide to join. So for example, you get the Funnel Cloner, the Funnel Copier extension, lifetime access with all updates and features. So this is the actual Funnel Cloner. Then you get a Funnel Copier library which provides all the previous copies you have made. So it's like a little history tab of your copy, of your copied pages. Then you get 200 high converting sales funnel templates, which is awesome in my opinion, because you can choose from all of these different types of templates. So for example, let's go to bonuses, let's go to high ticket funnels, and boom, here are all your high ticket funnels you can choose from. Very, very simple to install. You just have to click the download template button, or you can view it. You can scroll through all of these different types of niches, application funnel, e-commerce funnels, and you can copy any funnel inside your editor if you want. Okay, so this is the awesome 200 high converting sales funnel templates. Then you get 1500 advanced infographic templates specially designed for over 50 of the most popular niches, which is this, guys. All you have to do is click bonus slides, and these are your infographics. This is an awesome bonus, also very, very helpful. You get a bunch of infographics you can choose from. Then another awesome bonus is step-by-step video tutorials how to find a ClickFunnels page and paste it into your editor and modify it. So this is right here, the first section, how to install the extension, how to use it, the checklist, live funnel launching workshop, and a Facebook ads secret checklist. Then what you get next is a live funnel builder workshop, which I mentioned just now. You get a private Facebook group. And obviously right now this funnel copier is at a 70% discount. It normally costs $497, but right now it is just $297 one-time payment. So guys, if you're sick of creating new opt-in pages, new funnels, new websites from scratch, this tool will help you so much. It will save a bunch of your time. You don't have to create anything from scratch. All you have to do is pick a funnel that you like or a website, copy it inside your ClickFunnels dashboard, inside your ClickFunnels editor, and simply edit or add different types of images, text, or fonts. You know, you can change up the links, you can change it to your affiliate links or whatever you do online, guys, and it's really, really simple. So this tool is very, very helpful if you make a lot of websites, if you make websites for your clients, or even if you want to create a website for yourself and want to save a bunch of time. So guys, make sure to click the first button below this video. It's only $297, as I mentioned before. Go ahead and grab the tool and start cloning other people's websites today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.